Welcome to Luxury Motorhome. When we first moved into this RV, one thing immediately bothered us more than we expected. Those bulky window boxes. You know, the ones, big, dark plastic frames that stick out several inches from the wall and make the whole space feel smaller and heavier. We ended up keeping them everywhere except the loft, but that's a story for another day. Eventually, we decided it was time for a change. Our goal was simple: brighten up the RV, make it feel more open, and do it without drilling a single hole in the walls. We also wanted to keep the budget reasonable. In total, we spent about $350, which honestly surprised us considering how dramatic the difference turned out to be. The first step was removing the old window boxes and shades. If you're worried this is complicated, don't be. Most of them were held in place with just a few screws. Once those were out, the shades themselves popped right off using small clips. A quick tip here: save the screws and put them back into the window frame so nothing gets lost or damaged. The moment those boxes came down, we were shocked. The room instantly felt larger and brighter, like we had gained extra square footage without changing the floor plan. Those boxes stuck out nearly 4 inches from the wall, and once they were gone, the space finally felt open instead of boxed in. Out of pure curiosity, we decided to weigh one of the window boxes. We guessed maybe 15 or 20 pounds. Turns out we were way off. One of them weighed about 23 pounds. Multiply that by several windows, and suddenly you've removed a surprising amount of unnecessary weight from the RV. Even before installing the new curtains, the difference was night and day. More light, cleaner lines, and a much more modern look. And the best part? This was only the beginning of the transformation. If simply removing bulky window boxes made this much difference, wait until you see what happened once the curtains went up. Once the window boxes were gone, the next challenge was figuring out how to hang curtains without drilling holes. RV walls aren't exactly forgiving, and we wanted something secure enough to survive travel days. That's when we discovered command curtain rod holders, and honestly, they were a game changer. For the main living space, we used decorative curtain rods that were about ½ an inch in diameter, paired with curtain clip rings. The command holders we chose can support rods up to 3/4 of an inch and hold up to 10 pounds, which is more than enough for lightweight curtains. For fabric, we went with 63-inch blackout curtain panels. What made these especially convenient is that both ends were already finished, meaning we could cut panels in half and still have clean edges. One panel split perfectly covered a large window and 2 smaller ones. In total, we covered 11 windows using 4 pairs of panels, with a little fabric left over for future projects. Instead of sewing hems, we used permanent fabric fuse. If you've never used it, it's basically a strong double-sided tape made for fabric. You place it where you want the hem, peel back the paper, fold the fabric, and press firmly. It bones quickly, so taking your time is important. Once it sticks, it really sticks. To get a clean finish, we pressed everything down carefully using a roller, but your hands worked just fine too. The result looked professionally done, even though this was our first time using fabric fuse. Before mounting the command hooks, we cleaned the walls thoroughly with rubbing alcohol. This step is crucial. Once applied, we pressed each hook firmly for 30 seconds and waited at least an hour before hanging anything. Trust us, don't rush this part. We tried once and gravity won. The curtains were ready, but installing them revealed a few unexpected surprises hiding behind those old window boxes. As smooth as the process was overall, removing the window boxes revealed a few quirks in the RV's construction. Behind some of the boxes, trim pieces were missing entirely because the boxes had been hiding seams and gaps. Once exposed, those areas needed a clean finish. We saved the original trim and cut small replacement pieces to cover the newly visible gaps. A simple blade worked perfectly. RV trim cuts easily with minimal effort. Instead of using finishing nails, we opted for silicone mounting tape. It holds well, looks cleaner, and doesn't loosen over time like nails sometimes do during travel. Once the rods were up and curtains clipped on, the difference was stunning. The space felt taller, wider, and significantly brighter. To keep the rods from sliding around, especially on travel days, we used museum putty. A small amount hidden behind the rod keeps everything exactly where it belongs, even after long drives. We added magnetic curtain tiebacks to finish the look. These were inexpensive, easy to use, and came in multiple colors. You simply wrap them around the curtain and let the magnets snap together. When not in use, they hang neatly on small hooks. In a few spots, we experimented with tying the curtains back using fabric knots instead of tiebacks. Surprisingly, this worked even better in some areas and added a casual, cozy feel. Nothing about this setup feels temporary or flimsy. Everything stayed put during travel, and the RV finally feels like a home instead of a factory layout. The real test came in the kitchen, where light, color, and design had to work together in a much smaller space. The kitchen windows required a slightly different approach. For the small window, we used black command curtain hooks paired with small clip rings. These hooks come in several finishes, making it easy to match existing decor. The curtains themselves were pre-cut fabric panels we found locally. Once again, Fabric Fuse handled all the hemming, making this a quick and easy project. The finished look was clean and polished, but it also revealed something unexpected. With the new curtains up, the backsplash suddenly felt out of place. It's funny how upgrading one thing can highlight the next project on your list. For the larger kitchen windows, we used the same blackout panels as the living area, cutting them in half for a balanced look. Even when closed, they let in soft light without making the space feel dark or closed off. We ran into the same trim issue near the slide out, where one trim piece had been installed before other framing. It's one of those things you never notice until you start modifying your RV. Keeping spare hardware saved us here, especially when we realized we needed a center support later. Overall, switching from shades to curtains completely changed how the kitchen feels. The old shades covered nearly half the window height. Now, even with curtains drawn, space feels open and inviting. If you think that's impressive, wait until you see how dark and peaceful the bedroom became. For the bedroom, blackout was the top priority. You never know where you'll park, and streetlights don't care about your sleep schedule. We used blackout panels again, mounted as close to the wall as possible for maximum light blocking. Instead of curtain rod holders, we used standard command hooks paired with a tension rod. This kept the curtains snug against the wall and improved the blackout effect significantly. For tiebacks, we got creative. Small command hooks combined with wooden beads and jute string made custom tiebacks that looked intentional and decorative. On the larger window, we used a bead and loop design that made tying back the curtain quick and simple. The first afternoon after installing them, we tested the blackout effect. It was about 1 p.m., cloudy, but still bright outside. Once the curtains were closed, the room went nearly pitch black, so dark the camera struggled to focus. Even after multiple travel days, nothing has shifted, fallen, or loosened. The command hooks, tape, and putty have all held up beautifully. This upgrade didn't just improve privacy or light control, it completely changed how the RV feels. It's warmer, brighter, and far more personal. If something as simple as curtains can transform an RV this much, imagine what your next small upgrade could do.